Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Podio, a popular project management software. But before I get into the details of Podio, I want to ask you a question. What is the most important thing you look for in a project management tool? Is it ease of use? Is it flexibility? Is it affordability? Whatever your answer is, I think you'll be interested in what I have to say about Podio. What is Podio? Podio is a project management software that can be used for a variety of purposes, including task management, team collaboration, document management, event planning, customer support. Podio is a very flexible tool, so you can customize it to fit your specific needs. It also has a number of features that make it easy to use, even for non-technical users. What are the benefits of using Podio? There are many benefits to using Podio, but here are a few of the most important. Ease of use. Podio is very easy to use, even for non-technical users. This is because it has a user-friendly interface and a variety of features that make it easy to get started. Flexibility. Podio is a very flexible tool, so you can customize it to fit your specific needs. This means that you can use Podio for a variety of purposes, such as task management, team collaboration, document management, event planning, and customer support. Affordability. Podio is a relatively affordable project management software. This makes it a good option for small businesses and individuals. Integration. Podio integrates with a number of other popular software tools, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This makes it easy to share information between different platforms. Customer support. Podio has a team of customer support representatives who are available to help you with any questions you have. What are the disadvantages of using Podio? There are also some disadvantages to using Podio. One disadvantage is that Podio can be a bit expensive for larger teams. Another disadvantage is that Podio can be difficult to learn for new users. What are some alternatives to Podio? There are a number of alternatives to Podio, including Trello, Asana, Jira, Basecamp, ClickUp. Each of these tools has its own strengths and weaknesses. It is important to choose a tool that is right for your specific needs. How to choose the right project management tool for you. When choosing a project management tool, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Your budget. How much are you willing to spend on a project management tool? Your team size. How many people will be using the tool? Your needs. What features do you need in a project management tool? Your experience. How comfortable are you with using technology? Once you have considered these factors, you can narrow down your options and choose the best project management tool for you. Podio is a great project management tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is easy to use, flexible, and affordable. However, it can be expensive for larger teams and difficult to learn for new users. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Podio is the right project management tool for you is to try it out for yourself. You can sign up for a free trial of Podio and see if it meets your needs. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay tuned for more tech tips and reviews.